talking about is how to take a strategic approach to content marketing. When I say a strategic approach to content marketing, I mean laying a good foundation of research on your ecosystem and on your market so that you can align with professional norms while being creative and not wasting your time or your money. I'm talking to a lot of people about how to choose the right channels because there's so many options out there. There's the Facebook and LinkedIn, there's vertical social media channels that are important to particular industries like startups or healthcare providers. So how you make those decisions is very important. You should be making them based on research and taking a strategic approach rather than deciding ahead of time where you want to be and then hoping that your customers will find you there. What sets me apart is that I have in-depth expertise in science, healthcare, tech, and policy. I know those industries very well. I know the language that they need to speak in, depending on whether it's consumers within their industry or the layperson. I know how to translate very technical language into gorgeous storytelling, whether it be online, in video, in print publications, through events. That's what I specialize in. Model Content has been operating for about a year and a half, and this week we're launching the beta version of our startup strategy packages. So we're here trying to get the word out about those, trying to tell people about this bundle of services that's tailored specifically for startups at an early stage of development. This event is amazing. I've talked to such a diverse range of people. People have every kind of business here, but it's got some kind of technology component. And people are here from all over the world, so it's really interesting.